Hello, my name is Jiang Kim Sua. The title of my story is The Joy of Gardening. People who live around the world always try to find happiness by doing something to keep their feeling and their mind are calm, safe, happy, and peaceful. For me, I am also one of those people. My most favorite activity is gardening. I truly love it so much. Nowadays, I have a small garden in front of my house that I designed and decorated by myself. When I first started, I spent about $4,000 to buy big flowers, small plants, fruit trees, and different kinds of vegetable seeds. I grow, water, and take care of them on my own. Although I am happy, sad, angry, tired, or hopeless, I still do my gardening. In front of my house, I grow green grass, the place that my children can walk, run, and play football. On both the right and the left sides, I grow many plants and colorful flowers such as red, yellow, pink, white, purple, and orange color. Furthermore, I also grow a variety of vegetables and fruits such as cabbage, Chinese cabbage, eggplant, kale, mustard green, corn, tomato, longan, rose apple, pomegranate, custard apple, mulberry, and some other fruit trees. Gardening attracts many bees, butterflies, moths, and birds that make me have more fun. Every morning when I get up, I usually exercise, enjoy the beautiful view, my eyes relate with the green color, breathe in and breathe out with fresh air for the health of my lungs and heart. Keep my mind stay in positive thinking. When some plant die, I have to spend money to buy new one, invest time and effort to grow them, and change the garden decoration again and again. Since it costs so much money and effort to redo everything like this, should I continue planting or giving it up? In the end, I decided to continue gardening and to keep helping my plant live and grow them by watering and taking care of them, making my garden more beautiful day by day. Gardening is a dream that I cherish. It brings me peaceful of mind and great happiness, make me smile and allow me to enjoy spending time with myself.